In this video, I'll show you how to add assets in Google Ads. So here we are on our regular Google Ads account, and what we want to do is navigate to the Tools section that's on our left. You should see Shared Library and click on the little drop down, then click on Asset Library. Now here we can build a library for all of our assets. We can drop assets here, which for me doesn't work. So you'll have to click on New on the left. And here you can upload whole folders. Just clicking on upload will give you for images. You can upload videos, text. You can add voiceovers and so forth. Let's say you want to add a site link. You can click over here. And here you can fill out the site link form. So just your text, a description, and the final URL, which is where your viewer will be taken to, the last place. And if you don't understand something, there are occasionally these question marks you can click on and they will give you the necessary info. And you do have further site link options with these drop downs. And when you're done, you can just hit create. Let's look for another asset. Let's click on new, upload, and here we can do images and videos. And let's just pick our YouTube logo. And now we have that asset that can be used on all of our campaigns. And if you want to remove an asset, just hover over it, click on the three dots on the top of it, and hit remove. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.